Is your bank actually helping your money grow or just keeping it parked? You won't believe how Harvest Yield Bank approaches this question in 2026. Harvest Yield Bank is a digital-first bank designed around steady growth and simplicity. Opening an account is fully online, with identity verification completed quickly. Once inside, users get access to checking, savings, and smart financial insights in one dashboard. The standout feature is Harvest Yield savings structure. Instead of one flat savings account, users can create multiple yield pockets for different goals. Each pocket earns interest independently, which helps users stay organized and intentional. Most people get this wrong by mixing all savings together, but the system creates clarity. Harvest Yield also emphasizes predictable growth. Interest rates are competitive, but not extreme, focusing on long-term stability instead of promotional spikes. This makes it appealing for users who want reliability rather than chasing temporary offers. Another strong point is automation. Users can schedule transfers based on paydays or spending behavior. Over time, this creates a set-it-and-forget-it saving rhythm. The surprising truth about automation is that it removes emotional decision-making, which is where most people fail. Security is solid, with real-time alerts, account controls, and biometric login. However, Harvest Yield does not offer investment products or credit services yet, which may be a drawback for users seeking an all-in-one platform. In conclusion, Harvest Yield Bank is still worth it in 2026 for users who value stable growth, organization, and simple digital banking. If you want your savings to grow quietly and consistently, this bank is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest bank reviews that cut through the noise.